Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. Microsoft has released the latest update yesterday, which was May 29th, and let's go and see what is that update. This update has some new features as well as some known issues associated with it. So, I'm gonna explain all those things like new features as well as the issues associated with this update so that you can easily decide whether you want this update or not. So before you go ahead and install it, uh, let's see those issues and features. I have made a presentation for you guys and I'll go slide by slide for you guys. As you can see here, it says 2024-05. So this is a May update, cumulative update preview for Windows 11 version 23H2 for x64 based systems. So the update name is KB5037853. So before you go ahead and click on download and install, it's best to go through the slides so that you are aware what are the good things and what are the bad things associated with this update. Okay, so this is the update name here, KB5037853, and we'll start with very first feature. I'm gonna read for you guys. This update adds a feature that stops you from accidentally closing the Windows Share window. So clicking outside of the window will no longer close it. To close it, select the close button at the upper right corner. Next feature is associated with this new update is you can now use your mouse to drag files between breadcrumbs in the File Explorer address bar. So a breadcrumb shows the path to your current file location in the address bar. For example, there are 3 breadcrumbs in the path: this PC, Windows C, and program files. So basically you can move the files between the Windows Explorer. And next feature is this update adds a page to settings, accounts, and they call it linked devices, so that you can manage your PCs and Xbox consoles. This page only shows on Home and Pro editions when you sign into Windows using your Microsoft account. Feature number 4 is an update starts the rollout of the new account manager on the start menu. When you use a Microsoft account to sign into Windows, you will get a glance at your account benefits, and this feature also makes it easy to manage your account settings. Next update is they give an option to select the share button in Microsoft Edge toolbar and choose window share options. Then you can share the URLs and file across your devices. Feature number 6 is Windows will now back up many of your sound settings. This includes your sound scheme. This only occurs if you turn on Remember My Preferences and select the checkboxes for personalization and other Windows settings. To find these, go to Settings, Accounts, Windows, Backup. Then you can use the Windows Backup app to restore those settings on a new device. Feature number 7, it starts with this update. You can sign into your MS account in the Windows Backup app, and this app saves backups to your account directly. You can now send email to yourself from the Windows Share window. So you will receive the email at the email address that is in your Microsoft account. Feature number 9 is this update starts the rollout of the Add Now button to Settings account. When you select it, you can add a recovery email address if you have not added one for your Microsoft account yet. The button only shows if you sign into your Microsoft account. And there are definitely few known issues associated with this update. So be aware before you go ahead and install it. So I'm gonna read them for you. So this update addresses an issue that affects File Explorer, and it goes not responding when you swipe from a screen edge. And the next issue is this update addresses an issue that affects handwriting panels and touch keyboards. They don't appear when you use a pen. Also, the other issue is that displays a hidden window. Its title bar has no content and no client area. This occurs when you share your screen using certain apps. And another issue that distorts parts of the screen. This occurs when you use a Chromium based browser to play a video. Other one is it affects File Explorer. It takes up to 2 minutes to start when you pin a folder that is on a network share to quick access. This occurs when you upgrade from Windows 11 version 21H2 to Windows 11 version 22H2. This update addresses an issue that affects Bluetooth Low Energy audio headsets. They don't show the option to connect or disconnect. So be aware. This update also addresses the non-issue that affects your account profile picture. When you try to change it, you might get an error message and the error code is 0x80070520. And it also affects the share button on the USB controllers. It might not work with the game bar. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Thanks again. Bye bye.